Hello everybody. Well, so today I have a little video that I'm making related to the 78 XS650, also known as the Vindicator bike. And I had finished this bike up a while ago actually, and I didn't really do much with it over the winter. I live in the Pacific Northwest, and in the wintertime it's not really riding season. And coming out during the spring, I was prepping the bikes and everything, getting them ready for the upcoming sunshine that will make its appearance here in the state of Washington at some point in time. And I was thoroughly dissatisfied with the way that the bike was running. And it had, I'll show you over here, it had the stock BS38 CV carbs installed on it. And what I ended up doing was installing a set of Mikuni flat slide carbs, and I'll give a little zoom in on those. Right now the air filters aren't on it. I have those on order and they haven't arrived yet, but they're Mikuni TM 34s, the Mikuni flat slide carbs, and they're jetted for a 650 and all that kind of stuff. And I just wanted to give a little example of this bike starting up with the new carbs installed on it. And so that's what I'm going to do. Might help if I turn on the gas. So, there you have it. There's the Vindicator running with the new Mikuni flat slide carbs. That's my video for today. I hope you liked it. See ya.